today we'll talk about how can you add cover on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign or above your photo profile here, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on this side, or click here on see all here. Sorry, we'll go back. You click here on photo profile. So then you click here on it again. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on this sign. So then you click here on change profile photo here or here cover. Then it's going to change with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.